Alright, I'm gonna replace this key fob battery on a Toyota Camry key 2013. I know there's other Toyotas that use the same key. I'll put a link in the description. Now right here is a spot where you can put a flathead, in my case, nail file. This will expose this part that actually contains the battery. Should pop right out. Right here, there's some tabs around it. So, right here, you want to get flathead in there and try and pop some of these tabs out. That will expose the battery. This battery, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is a 2016. Same thing, you should be able to just pop it out. Then put the new one in. Tabs keep the battery in. Sometimes they break off and it's tricky to get back on. Push this so that the tabs are all good. Then, it's about as simple as that. Push this thing back in. And the cover should come right over top. Clip in. Easy as that.